On the last date of hearing, based on Double Code, I had issued two directions for the respondent. First is record the calculator and upload it 3 hours later, and second is call the material cover Srikantis.
He's present, Ballot. मुझे बताइए, बुलाइए उनको. आइए. How you communicate that vacancies are vacancies have offered? आप कैसे communicate करते हैं vacancies के बारे में?
Sir, if I may explain the procedure also on the same.
Yes, yes.
So we have two forms of recruitment which happens. One is through the central open rallies, which are conducted by the Army Recruiting Organization at various open births, what we are called. Second is out of this allotment per regiment, we get a percentage as a welfare measure for wards of our own serving ex-servicemen, battle casualties, physical casualties, as well as wards of other regimental also. The current situation, sir, is under UHQ. Open Bharti Rally schedule is taken out by centrally
we are not dealing with open rally, therefore let us confine us to this welfare measure of wards. Special drive.
Sir, with respect to unit headquarter rally, sir, it is specific.
It is called unit headquarter rally.
Yes, sir.
Unit headquarter rally. Yes.
In a unit headquarter rally, sir, 10% of total allotments for general duty soldiers is allotted to the regiment. This is so that
of total soldiers.
Total allotment in a recruiting year, sir.
Total allotment in the recruiting year. Recruiting year is given to the regiment.
Yes, sir. Based on this, sir, once we get the vacancies, about 45 days prior to whenever we plan the recruitment rally, primarily the regimental units, that is the units which belong to the regiment, sir, the IZR, the Sainik welfare boards and the records, that is the documentation part of this regiment, sir, they are informed. And this earlier, sir, before the Agnipath scheme, it used to be...
How they are informed?
Sir, prior to the Agnipath scheme, sir, it used to be informed in form of a signal. The signal used to give the date of rally and which are the categories which are available. That is GD, tradesmen, and so on.
Right.
Once
so they were communicated to three authorities. One is Army Welfare.
No, correction, sir. It is Army Zilla Sainik Boards.
Zilla
or the State Sainik Boards.
Zilla Sainik Boards, yes.
Second is to the units. That's the regimental units, sir. The units which belong to the regiment.
Regimental units, yes.
And third is the records, of course, because they will be in charge of the documentation post recruitment as well as
third is to the
records office.
Records office. Okay. Right.
Sir. The summons which had come, sir, it specified how the vacancies actually intimated, sir. In this case, sir, vacancies are not intimated neither for the open bharti nor for the UHQ bhartis.
Is it permissible?
Yes, sir. It's as per policy, so that as per the recruiting philosophy, we are looking for the best we can recruit. So the vacancies sometimes maybe during the recruitment period, sir, before the Agnipath scheme, we used to have vacancies somewhere about in an average about 50 to 60 sir, per year. Out of that, we used to have wards of serving of soldiers, which would go up to about 700, 800 roles.
Right.
Within that, those who were meeting the parameters and who could fulfill all the criteria and who were the best of the lot would be picked up, sir.
How they are picked up?
So there,
first of all,
sir,
there has to be an assessment that who all are eligible.
Yes, sir.
That will be second step. First step will be to notify that you have received certain vacancies to be filled under special recruitment drive. And once those vacancies are notified, or you are conducting a recruitment drive, 700-800 लोगों की by word of mouth publicity होती है, ढोलक पीट के होती है, जैसे गांव में होती है ना, ढोलक मुनादी पीट दी जाती है कि आज ये ऐसा होगा.
Instant case, the schedule for
let him complete. Let him complete.
In this case, sir, vacancies are, if I may repeat, sir, vacancies are not disclosed at all. There's like I said, the reason is to actually pick the best we can. Reason is so that we can pick the best we can.
Picking up best is how related to disclosure of number of vacancies. Do you mean to say that other organizations who are in the process of recruiting people are not picking up the best. Unless, because see, the transparency, first step towards the transparency is that you notify as to how many vacancies are there. You notify as to who all are eligible, as to for whom these vacancies have been notified. Then you invite applications from the eligible candidates. Then you scrutinize as per your parameters. That is your choice. That you can decide the parameters, you can advertise them, and then select those, scrutinize those applications who fulfill your parameters. After scrutinizing the applications, you can follow your recruitment process. That is whatever you want to do, physical test, intellectual test, general knowledge, or whatever is prescribed under your rules.
My lords, एक facts रखना
Please wait. पाठक जी, आपका नाम पाठक जी है ना?
चाहिए। नीलेश पाठक।
नीलेश पाठक जी, अभी आप वेट करिए। अभी
जी सर।
क्या होता है, खुद गोल मत मारने की कोशिश
जी
करिए।
सर।
अभी वेट करिए।
जी।
कर्नल साहब से समझने दी, फिर अब आगे की बात करेंगे।
Sir, if I may submit
Please
again.
continue. Please continue.
As your lordship has laid down, sir, yes, the eligibility criteria and the test schedules are publicized and were publicized that time also in joinindianarmy.nic.in, which is a central public. Even today, sir, as on date, all recruitment schedules are given in that.
Right.
But vacancy, sir, as per what has been policy laid down for us from recruiting directorate, which is our main body.
Where is the policy?
Pardon, sir?
Where is the policy?
Policy. Red book. Red book. This is for. May I?
हाँ, please बताइए.
So this is again specific to this year again.
No,
which
we are dealing with his.
Even in that time, sir.
We are talking about that year only.
In that year also, the
show us those papers which are relevant for the relevant. आपका recruitment year क्या?
Sir, 2015.
15. उसका बताइए कागज.
So this book which we follow is known as the Red Book in local parlance, which lays down the policies for all across the Indian armies.
This is dated.
This is 2014, sir. This was the latest policy
October
update
2014. Yes.
prior to.
You want us to read 3D?
3D.
Yes. The IHQ of MOD allots vacancies to HQ Regiment Jones based on the RMP of the states under their jurisdiction and fixed class. The RMP factor is based on the percentage of recruitable male population as per All India Census data of 2011. इससे क्या बताना चाह रहे हैं?
Sir, actually it's a para before that. Para before. The recruitment policy philosophy which is given, sir, and the next page also it has been laid out.
You want us to read which? Qualitative and fair?
No, sir, if I may request the lordship for the next page, sir, it is in the center. I'm forgetting the paragraph, right?
Recruitment policy, yes. ये वेबसाइट का नोटिफिकेशन कहाँ है आपका 2015 का?
It's annexure A4 of the original application, the record of the AFT is called
Huh?
Records of the AFT is called it was filed with the
record दीजिए.
with the original application filed by the petitioner himself.
तो rally schedule है.
So this is the rally schedule.
नहीं, we are asking you something. Please don't try to mislead us. You may be in a deep trouble. If you don't know, take time. We don't want to unnecessarily harass you, and we are also not inclined to waste our time. If you are not sure of our queries, then please take time, study, and then come out with relevant material.
Kindly see the previous
Where is the notice for recruitment? There is a difference. Rally schedule will be issued. After notice for recruitment is issued, applications are invited, then you will say that on such and such date, recruitment will be held.
Notice was not Notice was not there.
Sir, if I may submit, sir.
Hmm.
So the only the UHQ notification with the dates are given. The rally schedule and this is also uploaded on NIC. However, if I may repeat, sir, the vacancies are never mentioned for based on the employment philosophy.
रैली वॉकिंग तो होगा सर, उसको भी तो नोटिफाई करेंगे कि फलाने तारीख से फलाने तारीख में जबलपुर शहर की.
Even sir, if I may
आप
take your attention to the 2015
एक सेकंड रुक जाइए.
Sir.
आपने जबलपुर में पार्टिसिपेट किया था पाठक साहब?
नहीं सर, कामठी महाराष्ट्र में.
कामठी महाराष्ट्र.
जहाँ से ये सर आए हैं उसी
रुक जाइए, देख लेते. कामठी की तो इसमें है ही नहीं.
Brigade of the Guards.
ब्रिगेड ऑफ द गार्ड्स क्या?
सर नेक्स्ट पैरा 24 पेज नंबर 24 में सर.
हाँ.
1 2 3
ये.
सर
24 third, sir.
हाँ 24 कामठी देखता है। हाँ ठीक है, ब्रिगेड ऑफ द गार्ड्स रेजिमेंटल सेंटर कामठी
यस
5 से 15 अक्टूबर। जी, क्या आपकी ग्रीवेंस क्या, एक बार फिर से बताइए पाठक साहब।
सर। अभी जो इस केस में मेरी ग्रीवांस है सर, ये है कि सर मेरे साथ मेरिट में गड़बड़ी होती है, उसको मैं चैलेंज करता हूँ EFT में। फाइल ओए ओए मेरी सर अलाउ हो जाती है 2019 में, और सर उसमें डायरेक्शन होता है कि मुझे एडिशनल वैकेंसी क्रिएट करके रिक्रूट किया जाए विद इंटीडेट सीनियरिटी एट फार विद द अदर सोल्जर हु वर रिक्रूटेड ड्यूरिंग द कोर्स ऑफ अक्टूबर 2015।
हाँ।
इस ऑर्डर को सर चैलेंज किया जाता है बिफोर द ऑनरेबल सुप्रीम कोर्ट बाय वे ऑफ फाइलिंग सिविल अपील। बाइड ऑर्डर डेटेड 17/6/2020 सर, सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने सिविल अपील को खारिज कर दिया। उसके बाद सर मैं एग्जीक्यूशन एप्लीकेशन फाइल करता हूँ कि FT के ऑर्डर को एग्जीक्यूट किया जाए। तो सर मुझे कॉल लेटर इशू किया जाता है डेटेड सर 19/11/2020 को। उसमें सर सब चीजें ठीक होती है, एक एफिडेविट इंक्लोज करते हैं और उसमें कहते हैं कि आपके फादर ये स्टेटेड करें कि सेकंड सन कैन नॉट बी इनरोल्ड। ये सर एफिडेविट का फॉर्मेट जो था उस समय मांगे गए बच्चों से अलग है। उस समय ऐसा एफिडेविट बाकी अन्य बच्चों से नहीं मांगा गया।
अच्छा ठीक है, तो फिर इस पे काय को आप ये एडवर्टीजमेंट वगैरह में चल ले गए? ओके, तो सेकंड सन को रिक्रूटमेंट का तो इतना सा तो इशू है। कहाँ है वो रिक्वायरमेंट, वो एफिडेविट्स कहाँ है जो कि
बच्चों को
उस 2015 के रिक्रूटेड बच्चों से मांगे गए थे?
Sir,
वेयर इज दैट फॉर्मेट?
the affidavit, sir, is
Uh-huh.
produced at the recruitment stage.
हाँ।
That is only for these wards. जिस उस समय sir the vacancies used to be.
Which is the
Pardon?
provision which bars second ward to participate in the recruitment and get selected on his own merits?
My lord, policy, my lord, annexure RP,
हाँ,
annexure RP 5, my lord.
It is from this year, sir, that 2 wards have been allowed. Otherwise, it was only one.
कहाँ है वो
My lord,
policy?
annexure RP 5, my lord.
RP5
Page number 39 of the review
of
petition.
this which record?
My lord, review petition, my lord, in ERP, my lord.
ERP में?
Yes, my lord.
हाँ।
The instant review
Annexure?
petition. Annexure RP 5, my lord. Page number 39.
सीरियल नंबर कितना? P5 हाँ। क्या
Serial
कहता
number
है?
9, my lord. Para 2, my lord.
पैरा पेज 39
Yes, my lord.
हाँ पैरा 2
My lord, white letter under reference only one son, one real brother, one son-in-law, one legally adopted son have been brought under various priorities for consideration of recruitment under UHP quota.
ओके
Based on the above, only one son of so-and-so will be eligible to award the bonus marks for recruitment. Accordingly, my lord, so-and-so dated 9/May 2007 may be pleased to amend read as under, my lord. So, my lord, the facility, my lord, is available to the only one son.
नहीं
सर
और एक मिनट रुक जाइए। Only one son will be entitled to bonus marks. It does not say that only one son is entitled. Based on the above, only one son of SOS, SOEX, SOWW, SOW will be eligible for award of bonus marks for
My
recruitment.
lord, bonus
Sir,
will, my
नहीं,
lord.
Had you raised this issue before the AFT at the stage of it?
My lord, in the execution application, my lord.
तो इसके साथ तो कोई केस ही नहीं है। ऑलरेडी ये पैरा 2 तो पढ़िएगा पाठक जी, इसी का 2007 की पॉलिसी का।
जी सर। By the letter under reference only one son slash one real brother slash one son-in-law slash one legally adopted son have been brought under the various priorities for consideration for of recruitment under unit headquarter quota.
हाँ।
सर ये प्रायोरिटी की बात करता है सर। ट्रेड मैन की जो प्रायोरिटी थी सर वो डिफर है।
वो
सर
कहाँ पर है?
लगा हुआ है सर इसमें। सर ओए का जो डॉक्यूमेंट है सर
OA का
उसमें
annexure
अनेक्जर A3 सर पेज नंबर 18।
A3 पेज 18 क्या कहता है वो?
सर पेज 19 कंसर्न पेज 19 सर
पढ़िएगा।
पैरा 4 सर पॉइंट नंबर 4
हाँ पढ़िए।
प्रायोरिटी फॉर इनरोलमेंट्स ब्रैकेट ट्रेड्स में ब्रैकेट क्लोज। ए सर प्रायोरिटी 1 सन्स including legally adopted son of bar widow slash widow serviceman slash ex serviceman applying the traits of their father. Priority 2, sons, including legally adopted son of bar widow, widow serviceman slash ex serviceman of other trade than they applied for. Priority 3 brothers के लिए है सर. Priority 4 सर मेरा यहाँ पे ये है. Priority 2 sons की बात करता है सर, और ये 9 अक्टूबर सर जिसकी बात कर रहा है वो सर जीडी और उन पे एप्लीकेबल होता है अदर कैटेगरीज पे.
ऐसा कहाँ लिखा है ये? यूनिट हेडक्वार्टर कोटा, सन्स वो प्लूरल में है, उसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि मोर देन. ये किस तारीख का है ये A3 आपका?
सर ये है IHQ सर, नीचे लिखा हुआ है AUTH अथॉरिटी IHQ मौत आर्मी लेटर.
इसकी डेट क्या है वकील साहब?
सर 18 फरवरी 2019.
18 फरवरी 2019.
जी सर.
डज इट सुपरसीड?
ये सर ये जो पॉलिसी है
आपका तो 15 का है रिक्रूटमेंट.
जी सर.
17 का कैसे अप्लाई हो जाएगा आपके ऊपर?
नहीं सर, ये 2019 की है, ये चेंज नहीं हुई सर.
कौन सी वाली?
2019 की.
A3 जो है, A3 किस साल की है?
सर ये 3 पॉलिसी नहीं है सर,
और A3 जो है,
इसमें केवल इस पॉलिसी का मेंशनिंग है सर.
हाँ ठीक है, ये कब का है? पॉलिसी कब का है?
2019 की सर, 18 फरवरी 2000.
ये 2015 के रिक्रूटमेंट में कैसे लागू हुआ?
अप्लीकेबल थी सर, चेंज ही नहीं हुई सर.
कहाँ से मालूम पड़ेगा कि ये एप्लीकेबल थी? कहाँ से मालूम पड़ेगा कि ये एप्लीकेबल थी? क्योंकि ये 2007 की पॉलिसी जो है, ये आपको बताना पड़ेगा. RP5 ये सुपरसीड नहीं हुई, ये तो 9 अक्टूबर 2007 की है.
सर मेरा एक इसके पहले
हाँ बताइए. अब आप
एक चीज कहना है सर कि
सर,
जो
आप
इनका
बैठ जाइए आराम से, बैठ जाइए, टेक योर सीट, साइड में बैठ जाइए.
सर जो इनका ये कहना है कि रिक्रूटमेंट नोटिफिकेशन इशू नहीं होता है सर.
छोड़िए ना उस बातों को. रिक्रूटमेंट नोटिफिकेशन हुआ नहीं हुआ, नाउ इट इज इमटेरियल बिकॉज यू पार्टिसिपेटेड with on the directions of the Armed Forces Tribunal. You were directed to be recruited. They sought an affidavit from your father that he, in the category of ex-serviceman, is not sponsoring a second child for unit headquarter quota. This is now the controversy in short. You will have to show only one thing, that under unit headquarter quota adheres the policy and RP5, second ward is entitled to for recruitment.
यस सर. सर काइंडली सी सर अनेक्जर RP6 पेज नंबर सर 42.
हाँ, क्या लिखा है उसमें? पेज 42 में.
सर मैं पढ़ूं?
हाँ पढ़िए ना प्लीज.
Sir, para 3 sir, it is hereby ruled that relationship certificate will be issued to all sons of serving ex-serviceman slash bar widow irrespective of being first son or not.
जी.
Candidates will be screened based on this relationship certificate and physical relaxation will be given at the time of recruitment release.
जी.
Sir, फिर concern para है sir 5.
जी.
Bonus marks, sir, bracket close, which is applicable to only one son, bracket close. At the time of preparation of merit list will be awarded based on verification of relationship certificate and the endorsement by respective record office that the facility is being used by only one son.
जी.
ठीक.
ये तो आपके खिलाफ है. बोनस मार्क्स कैन बी अवॉर्डेड ओनली टू वन सन.
सर मुझे नहीं मिला सर, मैं यही दिखा रहा हूँ.
हाँ दिखाइए. कर्नल साहब इधर आइएगा. P6 का जो पॉलिसी लेटर है, RP6, इसको थोड़ा पढ़िएगा. इसमें लिखा हुआ है, a point was raised during annual regimental conference 2013 that all sons of serving ex-servicemen, war widows should be issued relationship certificate as physical relaxation is applicable to all sons by this HQ letter number itna. The policy on issue of relationship certificate issued by itna dated itna did not restrict issue of relationship certificate to only one son. The content was misrepresented by certain record offices होना चाहिए मेरे ख्याल से, offices. It is hereby ruled that relationship certificate will be issued to all sons of serving ex-servicemen war widows, irrespective of being first son or not. Candidates will be screened based on this relationship certificate, and physical relaxation will be given at the time of regimental release. In case of, then fifth is important. Bonus marks, which is applicable to only one son at the time of preparation of merit list, will be awarded based on verification of relationship certificate and the endorsement by respective record office that the facility is being used by only one son. ये तो बहुत clear कहता है कि it does not restrict. 2007 का तो उसके बाद मॉडिफाई हो गया, आप 2010 का भी नहीं ला रहे रिकॉर्ड पे, 2013 का भी नहीं ला रहे.
Sir, this policy continued till Agnipath scheme was implemented, sir, in 2021. Sorry, correction, 2022. Till then, the recruitment policy for the GD category and the other earlier recruit policy जो होता था, sir, for permanent this thing has remained the same. In this case, if I may,
नहीं, ये जो सर्कुलर पढ़ रहे हैं हम RP 6,
correct.
ये अग्निपथ के पहले का है या अग्निपथ के बाद का है?
अग्निपथ से पहले, this is for the recruit schemes,
हाँ,
जो
ठीक.
permanent
नहीं परमानेंट नहीं है, उसको ऊपर पढ़ लें, इसमें पढ़ लें. रिक्रूटमेंट अंडर यूनिट हेडक्वार्टर कोटा.
Yes, sir.
तो रिक्रूटमेंट अंडर यूनिट हेडक्वार्टर कोटा है. इससे तो ऐसा लगता है प्राइमा फेसी that 2007 की पॉलिसी was superseded because 2007 policy allowed recruitment to only one ward. Then 2010 clarified that certificate will be issued to all the sons irrespective of their number, but only one child will be entitled to bonus marks.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes. Also, sir, that if I may, the relationship certificate is issued to all wards after the circular. That is a form of identity because they can avail of other benefits which are given in various settlements.
हाँ ठीक है.
But for the purpose of UHQ rallies, primarily, sir, it's a welfare measure. This
ऐसा कहाँ है, मुझे दिखा दीजिए ना. आप एक काम करिए,
sir,
अब you file an affidavit. You file an affidavit referring to this policy. We'll refer in our order to this policy of 6th April and also of this 7th October. You file an affidavit.
sir, it is already right. Sir, we will do, sir.
देखिएगा, the grievance of the petitioner is that in the year 2015 he had participated in a rally for recruitment under, which is meant for recruitment of under unit headquarter quota. Full stop. Next pair. Lieutenant Colonel Shri, what's your good name, please, sir?
So I'm Lieutenant Colonel Srikanth S.
Shri, Lieutenant Colonel Srikanth S. has explained that there are two sources of recruitment. One is open rally and another is for the unit, other is called unit headquarter rally. Full stop. It is submitted that unit headquarter rally is a welfare measure for the wards of the regiment. Full stop. Then it is explained that 10% of the total allotment for the recruitment of the current of the said year is allotted under the head of unit headquarter rally. Full stop. It is submitted that this unit headquarter rally is to be conducted in such a manner that only one ward of a serving or ex-serviceman will be entitled to recruitment. Full stop. Attention is drawn to the policy dated 9/10/2007 enclosed as Annexure RP 5, in which in para 2 it is mentioned within as under inverted colon dash within inverted commas 2 dot wide letter under reference only one son oblique one real brother oblique one son-in-law oblique one legally adopted son have been brought under various priorities for consideration of recruitment under unit headquarters quota. Full stop. Inverted commas close. In para 3, it is mentioned that within inverted commas 3 dot based on the above comma only one son of SOS oblique SOEX oblique SOWW oblique SOW will be eligible for award of bonus marks for recruitment. Full stop. Next pair. Petitioner's contention is that he was not allotted any bonus marks as can be seen from Annexure P8, wherein his name is mentioned at serial number 14 and no bonus marks were allotted to him. Next pair. it is pointed out that as per policy dated 16/4/2013, comma, contained in annexure RP6, it is some clarification has been given which reads as under. ये RP6 पूरा कोट कर दीजिएगा, छोटा सा है ना? इसका पैरा 1, 2 पूरा ही कोट कर दीजिएगा इतने का. Thus, reading this policy, it is submitted that decision to give allotment oblique certificate to relationship certificate to all the wards was changed to issuance to a single ward was changed to issuance of relationship certificate to all the wards, and only facility which was denied was grant of bonus marks to the second ward. Next para. Shri Shri Lieutenant Colonel Shri S.
SREEKANTH.
Shrikant S submits that this being a welfare measure, relationship certificate is issued for various purposes, and it will not automatically mean that petitioner became entitled for recruitment despite that facility being extended to his elder brother as ward of ex-serviceman. क्या हुआ?
If I may.
मैंने क्या कहा? पहले हमने क्या लिखा? आपने क्या समझा पहले तो वो बताइए. Then we will hear you.
What I understood, sir, is that the relationship certificate is only issued to his brother.
No.
Over and above,
No.
he should also get it.
No. He said that relationship certificate is issued for various purposes, but as far as recruitment is concerned, that can be given only to one person.
No, sir.
No, my lord.
No, my lord. It is
Relationship
issued to
certificate-
all siblings.
सर ये
Certificate की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं, recruitment की बात कर रहे
Sir,
हैं. Appointment can be issued only to one child
Yes, sir.
under this unit headquarter quota.
Yes.
यही लिखा है हमने.
In that he had cleared.
हैं?
He had cleared that.
हाँ,
Sir,
फिर
जो 10%, if I may clarify,
हाँ,
sir,
हाँ.
just 2 points. एक तो the 10% which is allotted is particularly for GD. It is not for tradesmen.
okay.
Tradesmen are central control category. So that includes clerks. We have something known as storekeeper, that is SKT, sir. Stewards, housekeepers, hairdresser, and so on. GD is the competent force. General duty.
2% हटा देना. चलिए हाँ.
GD stands for competent force.
हाँ.
So the 10% we are getting is for GD.
हाँ.
He had participated.
In trades, in a particular trade.
No, sir. He had participated initially on GD.
हाँ.
He cleared his test.
हाँ.
All his documents were fine. He had bought that affidavit for GD entry also,
हाँ.
which was every other tick, box he had ticked. However, sir, in the medical, he had to be boarded out because his eyesight was 6 out of 9. So he was found medically unfit. Now he's a ward of the regiment. His father served with the regiment for more than 24 years. So as a initially we tried giving him a vacancy in steward trade, which he himself had given an application, which the regiment took up with higher headquarters, and we got the vacancy released. We had 3 vacancies. Out of the 3 vacancies, he had passed it. However, sir, usme kya hua? There was one clause in the recruitment which is called instant enrollment. If there's a battle casualties ward which appears, he gets immediate enrollment.
Right.
That is as again a welfare.
हाँ, ठीक है.
Because the battle casualty came in, he went down in merit.
Right.
Otherwise, the bonus marks which he was supposed to get for NCC seat certificate, which is the only bonus marks allowed for tradesmen. For GD, he would have got other marks. But for tradesmen, he has got that 100 marks. That is why if he's got it mentioned as a blank column in 1.
That means post was not there.
Pardon, sir?
That means that post under the steward category was filled up by a person who was a war casualty, ward of a war
Yes,
casualty.
we had 3 vacancies that year.
हाँ, ठीक है.
He had passed it, but since that instant battle
ठीक
casualty,
है, understood.
he went down.
Then
He had, because of that, he had to be dropped. Though he had got that bonus marks for NCC C certificate, which was included in the board also.
right.
Till here, sir, we have tried to actually reach out to our wards. It is, when this point came, we had also requested maybe next year, because tradesmen also have age relaxation,
All right.
which was not done. Then the red petition was filed saying that on what, that he wanted that vacancy, which again the center through AFT order, actually we pushed the case through again. We got one additional vacancy for it.
Then
3 call letters were given, sir.
जी.
Now there are set lists of documents which are again laid down by headquarters and the MODs,
Ah.
which lays down that these are the documents for photographs.
Where is that prescription?
Sir, it is given in his call letter also, which is given,
Ah.
which is very clearly laid down,
Ah.
because the affidavit which is coming, because we are again taking under UHQ quota,
Ah.
which would be a vacancy which we could have given to some other ward of a serving or ex-serviceman or battle casualty.
Ah.
However, for his welfare, we got that. The affidavit clearly in the call letter says the affidavit has a validity of only 6 months.
Hmm.
Because iske baad his brother might have got enrolled. Se pehle he could have. So for that period of
क्या हुआ actually? Brother got enrolled before him or after him or
his
along?
brother is
before?
not enrolled.
Eh?
His brother is enrolled. Sorry. I'm not exactly sure. His brother.
Your brother got enrolled before you.
Same recruitment.
Same recruitment.
So in that affidavit, still the standard format says that nobody else has been recruited in his place.
Where is that standard format?
In the call letter, it is says call letter.
My lord, annexure P15, my lord, of the writ petition, my lord.
P15 of the
Writ petition.
OA.
My lord, writ petition, my lord.
Writ petition का record कहाँ मिलेगा?
सर आरपी में लगा हुआ है, आरपी का पेज नंबर सर 38।
15.
Annexure P15, my lord.
नहीं, इसका केस ये है कि
So this affidavit-
जो आपने एफिडेविट ये P15 से मांगा है, यह एफिडेविट आपने 2015 में जो लोग रिक्रूट हुए उनसे नहीं मांगा था।
सर पेज नंबर
It is asked from them.
हाँ, तो कहाँ है वो
It
एफिडेविट?
is a checklist, sir. So now the
रुक
problem
जाइए
in this
भैया।
particular case, sir, we have the copies. He had filed an RTI, we had given.
सर मेरे को नहीं दिया।
रुक जाओ ना भाई, आर्मी में रिक्रूटमेंट चाहते हो, बचपना कर रहे हो,
जी सर।
वेट करिए। हाँ,
Sir, इसमें the affidavit which we had sought from him
हाँ।
was post his enrollment and vacancy which we got for him as a tradesman, which is a mandated list, like when we go for any job, which we have to submit in terms of identity proof, registration proof,
let us
character
see the para 8 of the honorable AFT order. Let us see that, because you have referred to para 8 of the AFT order. ठीक है, let us see that. Para 8 of the AFT order. It's seen that as per para 10 of the policy, that none of foreign is recruited in the army. हाँ, कहाँ है para 8 में? As required by para 8 of the honorable AFT order quoted above. Which order you are referring to?
Sir,
सर एफटी का ऑर्डर, सर जो ओए का ऑर्डर है ना सर, वो आरपी 2 है, एनेक्जर आरपी 2 कंसर्न पेज सर है 31, पेज नंबर 31, ऑपरेटिव पार्ट ऑफ दिस जजमेंट।
हाँ, पढ़िएगा।
Second line, sir.
हाँ,
The ground always by the respondent that the second son cannot able UHQ quota is not are faced in view of the policy annexure 18, which provides that the second son is also entitled to able UHQ quota, but without any bonus.
and this order is dated? नहीं, उनका नहीं मालूम। नहीं, 14 और ये जो ऑर्डर है ये 23 का, इसको रिफर ही नहीं किया इस जजमेंट को। एक सेकंड, आपको नहीं, हाउ वी विल रिकंसाइल दिस? अब तो विल जस्ट कन्फाइन अवरसेल्व्स दैट देयर आर टू जजमेंट्स ऑफ द सेम स्ट्रेंथ बाय AFT and how they are to be reconciled, because the earlier judgment, as we understand, earlier judgment will be a precedent, earlier order will be precedent, and this order has not been considered. इसके ऊपर आप देखिएगा, at this stage it is pointed out that the affidavit which was sought from the petitioner was in terms of para 8 of the order dated 8th November 2023, passed by Honorable Division Bench of Armed Force Tribunal, Regional Bench, Jabalpur, in MA within bracket capital E, capital A, bracket close, 152/2019 in OA 41/2017, whereas prior to that, Armed Force Tribunal, Regional Bench, Chandigarh at Chandi Mandir in TA number 26 of 2015 within bracket arising out of OA 181 of 2015 decided on 14th day of October 2022. ये RP 10 है page 88 पे. In para 15 observed that, sorry, para 15 नहीं, para 15, yes, observed that within inverted commas, even otherwise also, comma, the ground canvassed by the respondents that the second son cannot avail UHQ quota is far-fetched in view of the policy annexure A2, which provides that the second son is also entitled to avail UHQ quota, but without any bonus marks. Full stop, inverted commas, close. When present case is examined in view of set facts, then a clarifactory order at Jabalpur without taking into consideration order passed at Chandigarh by the bench of a similar strength, which has referred to a policy dated 26/6/2013 as annexure A2, needs to be reconciled. Full stop. With a view to have better appreciation of facts, comma, respondents are directed to file an affidavit that how they will reconcile between the two contradictory orders of the same armed force tribunal at two different benches, and the order on which respondents are referring being later having been passed without taking into consideration the earlier order passed by the Chandigarh bench will have precedence or not. Let affidavit be filed within 2 weeks, list after 2 weeks in the week commencing 8 September 2025. Oh. Personal presence of the officer is dispensed with. किसकी DB? हाँ हाँ बोलिए. अब ये नहीं हो पाएगा क्योंकि हमें कंडोलेंस के लिए जाना है. अब आप 2 हफ्ते बाद बताइएगा.